Welcome viewers to our channel Useful Yourself. Today we come up with a big question, that is, did you think what happens when the fan rotates in space? To answer this question, we must definitely know about two things. One is working of air ventilation from the fan, and the other one is atmospheric facts about the earth. Firstly, we are going to see about the working of air ventilation behind the fan. This is the simple machine which is the most commonly used in the houses, offices, industries, etc. But do you think how we get air ventilation from the ceiling or table fan? What's the physics behind this brilliant machine? Which point of fan plays this vital role? Let us see the working of air ventilation in the fan. In all fan wings, ceiling or table fan, you may find the wing position is slightly twisted or bended. This bending or twisting plays the important role in air ventilation, and there is a range for this bending in fan wings. It's ranged from 12 degree to 15 degree. Above or below this range we can get air ventilation. When we switch on the fan, the wing starts rotating, and what is happening here is the wing scoops the air behind the fan and pushes out this air with a high speed through the bending in the wings. And this is how we got the air ventilation. The size of the wings decides the extent of air ventilation. The ceiling fan have a lengthier wings than the table fan, so we got the air ventilation all around the room. Now we are moving on to the second part. We have learned how we got the air ventilation from the fan. You all know the air is present inside the earth. This fan scoops the air inside earth and push out. It works finely everywhere on earth. But what about when we go high or on higher altitudes? Let us see about the atmosphere of earth. It is divided into 5 parts: troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and the exosphere. Troposphere is the lowermost layer of atmosphere. Here we can see clouds up to this extent. The air is present sufficiently up to this layer only. Flight mostly fly in the troposphere, and to the maximum height it will fly in the lower part of stratosphere. Because above this limit, density of air is reduced below the threshold level, so flight can't fly above this layer. Above the exosphere, we are definitely in space, and there is no air in space too. It is a perfect backup. So the fan will rotate finely in space. Because of vacuum in space, we will not get air ventilation from the fan anymore. And this is the answer for the question. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for the further updates.